Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're talking about AI appearing everywhere. And in recent Windows Insider builds, we also have updates to the core apps of Windows 11, and everywhere AI is making a push, even in the apps of Windows. So I looked into my Canary build of Windows Insider and actually took a couple of screenshots because Notepad is getting a new feature to write stories if you want. So for example, if I take Notepad from my regular Windows 11 build right now, if I right click here, I don't have a menu that says you want to write something. So it does offer options to rewrite, for example, some of the text, things like that. But now, when you actually use the Notepad in an Insider build, so when you get to the Notepad, when you right-click in the middle, you get the option to write in a menu. And that option, well, I actually asked it to write a story about a blooming flower. And it's actually did it did that. Once upon a time in a lush green meadow, a tiny seed lay nestled in the warm earth. As the days turned into weeks, the seed began to awaken from its slumber, and so on and so on. So it did write to me a bloom, a flower blooming, and a story about it, which is actually not bad. But it's pretty interesting that now they're adding this even to basic apps like Notepad. Once again, I could see where it could be helpful for people that aren't really good at writing any texts. But it's still gaining access to everything in the PC, and it'll be everywhere. Even though say, well, I'm glad I'm on Linux for that. Well, Linux will have AI. There's no doubt. Linux distros will get AI. It will be built in. It'll have to be because everybody else does it. And it's interesting, but some people don't like it. I don't hate the AI stuff that's like this. The only thing, once again, that I wish is that we always know when it's AI and when it's written by a real person, because there are things that are kind of difficult to make a difference. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.